What we're going to do today is look over our Forex pairs for the week, have a look at how many trades we could have taken, see how many valid setups there were, how much we could have won on each trade, how much we could have lost on each trade, and what our overall profit and loss for the week could have been had we taken all those trades. So getting straight into it, we had just 5 pairs on our list this week: NZD-JPY, GBP-JPY, GBP-CHF, Euro-GBP and Euro-NZD. I will be honest, I know there was not a lot on offer this week, so this is likely to be quite a short video, but valuable nonetheless. Let's have a look at what we could have taken from each of those pairs. So going on to NZD-JPY first, having a look at the week over the last 5 days, I can see that there is absolutely nothing we would have taken there. So that is a completely dud pair. GBP-JPY was also going down for the week. There is nothing there, nothing here. This is going the wrong way, and there were no setups here, and no setups here. So that is another 0 trade pair. GBP-CHF was also going down. There is a bit of a droppage here on Monday, and that in fact is a valid setup here, and we would have taken all the way down to a nice little ESC exit there as well. So let's set this one up over here. We'll say we entered there on the open of the candle because that is very close. Set our stop loss. And setting our take profit at we want 53. Right, that is a valid trade, but that risk to reward is below 2, so there is no way we would have taken that. That's opening ourselves up to unnecessary risk on this, so that is invalid, and that was definitely not playable. So we'll scrap that one, and we'll have a look at what else was on the cards. Nothing there on offer on Tuesday. Wednesday was a bit of ranging and nothing to trade there. Thursday, straight up action with no shift, nothing doing there. And then today, finally, we threatened to get an entry here, but it did not happen how we wanted it to, and we didn't get anything over here either. So that, no trades again on GBP-CHF. Moving on then to Euro-GBP. This one was trending up, and we had nothing here. This didn't quite pull, or did it pull? It did, but that does not meet our requirements, so we stay away from that one. Wednesday, nothing happened there, and that was a little too close to the time as well, so nothing doing there, and I don't think that would have met our risk there either. So let's have a look. No, it actually may have. It may have actually. This was actually a very valid setup. So let's mark that one up, see what we could have done here. Entry at the open. Stop loss set, and our take profit would have been 39 pips. Very valid, a very valid setup. And if we had risked 2% on this trade, we would have been stopped out on this candle right here. So that would have been a 2% loss. Minus 2% on this trade here. So far we're 1 trade and 1 loss for valid entries. And Thursday then was nothing, because remember we're looking for something in the upward direction. And then Friday again, nothing here either. The EMAs do not line up in our direction, so nothing would have been tradable apart from that one on Wednesday, which would have inevitably hit our stop loss. But that is a fantastic setup, and I would have taken that every day of the week. Moving on then to Euro NZD. This was also trending upwards. So Monday, we saw nothing tradable here. Tuesday, this did. No, the A range was far too blown, so that wouldn't have been valid. So nothing trading there. Wednesday, we didn't quite get the volatility that we wanted to. The volatility bands are a bit too narrow, so nothing doing there. We didn't get the entry criteria. On Thursday, the A range was also blown at 91 pips, so we could not have taken that one either. And on Friday, this would have been a really nice setup had we stopped here and gone up. But we continued dropping, and that's just taken us completely out of the range. So no trades on Euro NZD either. Now that was a very, very quick review. I know there weren't many pairs on the list this week, and just looking over them, there wasn't any real opportunity for us to get into any trades apart from that one single trade on Euro GBP, which was a full 2% loser. There was no early exit on that one for us. And that is the beauty of trading only what you know. We haven't forced any trades. We haven't looked for anything that doesn't really exist. We're not looking to get into trades willy-nilly just for the sake of getting into trades. That's not what we do here. We find the right trades, we find the right setups, and only if it meets our entry criteria will we take the trade. On this occasion for this week, we had just one trade that met that criteria, and that one was a loser. But don't forget, no strategy on the planet is 100%. You'll never win 100% of your trades. You will definitely have losers. And I'm here being very transparent with you. We had one trade in the week and it was a loser, and I'm not hiding that. The strategy gave us a loser, and that's all we had on offer for the week. So we closed the week with minus 2% profit, but we did close last week with 11% profit. So all in all, over the last 2 weeks, we are 9% up on our trading account or thereabouts. And that just shows you the value and the power of compounding your account. Now, as we carry on and do this over time, you'll start to see exactly how powerful it is. So with the first week being an 11% profit and this week being a 2% loss, we are still in major profit for the year. We'll carry on doing these videos all year long, and we'll see exactly how much we make over the year. I'll keep a tally. I will keep a tally, and I'll start putting it up on here, and we'll see exactly what we did and exactly how much money could have been made over the course of the year. Thank you then for watching this weekly review. It's been really short and sweet. We had one trade. We'll be back then on Monday to set up our hit list for the week. We'll have a look at which pairs are on our hit list, which ones could be tradable, and we'll keep an eye on those as the week goes on before doing another review next Friday to see exactly what trades we could have taken and how much money could have been made. Until then, have a great weekend, and we'll see you back here on Monday.